हाँ जी, ये अभी हम थिएटर में खड़े हैं. तो now this is a patient who has got CA thyroid, most likely papillary carcinoma. Along with that, he has got the lymph nodes. So we are going to do the total thyroidectomy along with the neck dissection. The most likely, I think the zone 5, 3 and 4, they are involved. So we will do the neck dissection also, and we are going to start this now. Due to some reasons, due to some policies of the Facebook, we cannot show you the this surgery steps in this Facebook. So I think we can upload it on the YouTube channel. तो मेरी टीम ने जो है वो पेशेंट को पेंट रैप कर लिया है और अब मैं वॉशअप होके हम इस केस को शुरू करने वाले हैं. थोड़ा सा वैसे ये दिखा दो जरा सा हमारा जो ये हमारा सेटअप है जी, मॉड्यूलर थिएटर है. The students have got the option that they can see that on the camera because everyone cannot keep up over there. कैमरा दिखा दो ना, वो कैमरा है, ठीक है. So 3 of my assistants, they are now wash up, and the scrub nurse is also wash up, and patient has been positioned in typically in thyroid position, and I'm going to wash up and start the case now. Thank you very much. So we are almost done over here. We have done the selected neck dissection on the left side, and now we are doing the total thyroidectomy. So I have handed over to my assistant, Dr. Afzal. He is doing the total thyroidectomy now. So the procedure is going on, and I think we will take 45 minutes more in that. Thank you very much. हाँ जी, ठीक है, patient stable. Thank you.